royal proud blood. For tonight, we will
Move,
twist the very
Slideshow.
fabric of reality. We will defy nature with reckless abandon. We have also broken
Sí,
16 galactic
bueno,
statues and one-star ordnance. So I shouldn't see anything about this online. Beautifully worded, sir. In just a few moments, we will unleash a weapon so powerful that it will take... Stanley, are you seriously still texting after what I just said?
Move.
Victor, if you please.
You completed.
Dialing mother.
Hello, Huckleberry residents. Hello? Who is this? I'm in a again. I keep heavy breathing and... It's chewing. That's it. I'm calling the police.
Does anyone else feel like texting? Show of hands. Anyone? Very well. Commence deplanetization! Study the deplanetizer! Seriously? Okay, let's dig deep. Don't quit on me now. Can you feel it? Can you feel the burn?
Are you kidding? I'm on fire. I can take anything you can dish out, so bring it on.
Okay, 2,000 more.
2,000.
And 2, 3, and 4. No pain, no gain. And we'll be right back after these messages. Okay, bots, let's do it. And the Ranger Warhouse will be right back.
Planet Tenemule is no more.
What?
Hello, Dallas Wanamaker here. Tonight at 5, another uninhabited planet is destroyed without warning or cause, marking the 4th in recent memory of our once peaceful galaxy. As a result, the President has requested our ever-vigilant Galactic Rangers increase their numbers from 4 to 5. Really? Just 5? All right. And now a message from the man himself, Captain Quark.
Space, a wondrous realm full of adventure and peril and, bigness.
Captain Quark?
The Solar Galaxy is our home, and as many of you know, it's in a state of crisis. The Galactic Rangers are looking for a new recruit to help with the investigation. So if you're a small-time nobody in search of adventure, come on down to the spaceport and see me, Captain Quark. Humongous! Our next stop, Planet Veldin's Kizzle Plateau.
Kizzle Plateau?
That's right. The Kizzle Plateau.
Ranger tryouts. This is
Let's see
huge.
the move.
Galactic Ranger, grab some sky.
Who's here?
Galactic Ranger, punk. Ranger down.